5 ways to use aloe vera. Aloe vera has been known for its healing properties for thousands of years. It's got antiviral and antibacterial properties and the ability to help treat everything from constipation to diabetes. It consists of about 99% water and the rest is just pure goodness. Most of us have heard that it's very effective for sunburns, but aloe vera has so many other beneficial properties that it certainly can be called super plant. Here is 5 amazing ways to use aloe vera. Number 1. Exfoliate. Aloe vera will help you to get your skin to feel new again with this exfoliating scrub. This scrub removes dead skin cells and it's so gentle that it can even be used on sensitive skin. Take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of organic brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, mix and apply it to your skin and then wash it up. Number 2. Prevent pimple and treat acne. Aloe vera is also known for repairing skin cells and its antifungal and antibacterial properties which make it very effective when preventing pimples and treating acne and rosacea. It also helps with any blemishes, post-breakout scars, and damaged skin. Thanks to its healing properties, cut the leaf lengthwise and apply the clear gel to the affected area. Aloe vera gel contains 2 hormones, auxin and gibberellins. These 2 hormones provide own healing and anti-inflammatory properties that reduces skin inflammation. Gibberellin in aloe vera acts as a growth hormone stimulating the growth of new cells. It allows the skin to heal quickly and naturally with minimal scarring. Number 3. Body scrub. Aloe vera has very powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory characteristics that make it very effective and gentle body wash. Both aloe vera and vitamin E are excellent for skin cell repair, and essential oils make the skin smooth and soft. Cut the leaves lengthwise, scoop the clear gel with a knife. You will need about 1/4 of a cup. Mix it with liquid soap 3/4 of a cup. Add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E. Add a few drops of essential oil. It can be lemongrass, lavender or chamomile oils. All these oils are very beneficial for the skin. Number 4. A moisturizer for your skin. Aloe vera is an excellent natural moisturizer. It's especially good for dry or sensitive skin because it absorbs very fast and moisturizes without blocking the pores. For men, aloe vera gel can be used as an aftershave treatment as its healing properties can treat small cuts caused by shaving. Here's how to prepare it. Cut the leaves lengthwise, scoop 2 teaspoons of clear gel. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and apply. Aloe vera not only moisturizes the skin and improves its elasticity but also helps to slow down the aging process. Number 5. Hair treatment. Aloe vera is very effective as a hair loss treatment. It contains enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp and stimulate new hair growth. Cut the leaves lengthwise, scoop 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, mix it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply it to your scalp and hair and leave it on for 40 minutes. Rinse off and wash your hair as usual. Hey everyone, which tip did you find most useful? Tell us in the comment section below. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.